Okay, so now let's build the agent to create the claim. Our logic will go like this. First, we will fetch the policy of the logged-in user. Then, we will create the claim in the claim table, with the status marked as rejected. We won't update this status unless we validate everything. The third step is creating a folder for the images that the user has uploaded as proof. After that, we update the created folder ID back to the claim table. Now, whatever images the user has uploaded, we will move each of them into the newly created folder. Then comes the checking part. First, we will check if the user has already raised any claim with the same description, basically to ensure the user is not committing fraud. Then, we will validate whether the images uploaded by the user are of a vehicle or not. We'll also check one more thing, whether the description what user has give is matching with images or not. If all these validations are successful, we will mark the claim status as under review. After that, if status got updated, then user can view on the portal. So, this is going to be the entire flow of the agent that we are going to build. Let's begin and check everything. But before we start building the agent, there's one more thing we need to do. We need to add a new column called Status Remark in the insurance claim table. This is important because, although we may reject the claim, the user should know the reason behind the rejection. So, for that, we need a remark field. First, we go to the Data Vault, open the table, and click on Edit for the insurance claim table. Then, we add one more column named Status Chapter Remark. Set the data type as text, and save it. Now, this is done. Let's move ahead and start building our agent.